Hello everyone, this is my progress report for multi-agent based modeling for traffic simulation. For this project, we will extend the existing agent based modeling for traffic simulation by Ben Hamza K. In its original study, model is built using the Java Eclipse environment, whereas we will be using NetLogo software to build this new functionality by adding the real world vehicles like truck, cycle in addition to car. Also, we will be controlling their speed and acceleration separately, and we are going to add the capabilities to mirror accident scenarios to monitor traffic jam and driver patience level. One of the main reason for this study is growing traffic, increasing cost of traffic delay, and increasing number of accidents. From chart we can see that number of cost of traffic delay increased to $180 billion, which is concerning. We have already added new user interface slider to initialize the model with number of cars, trucks and cycle, as you can see on the screen. Also have added the capability to vary their acceleration based on their nature. So we have added the extra sliders to track those acceleration. We can see model is indeed initializing with those variables, and we can see the cycle, trucks and then the cars are displayed based on the initial values of those. To enable the rich experience, we have also added the custom shape for cycle, which was missing in NetLogo turtle shape library. So we have built our own shape, as you can see on the screen. For verification and validation, we will be using the real world Virginia 2019 traffic data for this model. Based on this dataset, number of daily vehicle count for US 11 and US 19 was 7,000 vehicles, where 95% of vehicles was 2 and 4 vehicles, meaning car and bikes. 3% was trailer trucks, 1% each for 2 and 3 XL trucks. So we will be scaling down this data to test in our model. We will be testing couple of scenarios to test our model against its reality. So one, we are going to test when there is a traffic, driver patience level should be on top, whereas if there is traffic jam, patience levels drop significantly. Second scenario, when there is a same type of vehicle, chances of traffic jam is less, whereas in case of combination with trucks or cycles, the chances of traffic delay is more. And for the future work, we'll add capability to vary acceleration based on the slider user interface from truck. We'll be doing the Scala programming for this, and add user interface for minor accident scenario using chooser, which can be true or false. Thank you.